Hey digital artists, sick of paying heavy subscriptions just to sketch, paint, or animate on your PC? Today, I'm showing you a direct path to deploy a fully optimized, beastly Krita studio on your rig for zero cost. Let's unlock your digital canvas right now. Let's hit that download link on our platform right now to secure the installer package. The moment you open the file, the deployment sequence swings into action, pulling down the advanced rendering cores and default brush presets straight to your drive. Boom, the baseline software layer is locked in. Now, let the active configuration wizard finish mapping out the advanced brush engines and blending mode textures. It's a swift step that wraps up in a literal blink. Let's fire up the application for the very first time to check our brand new canvas. We are drawing a quick test stroke just to verify that the stabilizer settings, brush wheels, and layers respond instantly with zero lag. The entire art ecosystem is calibrated, verified, and completely ready to crank out premium illustrations with zero restrictions. Head over to our webpage right now to grab your installer package and start painting like an absolute beast.